Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. So I'm just here, came at the Rouge River, and I came here to fish. And what's happening, I was over the bridge the other day and I saw this beautiful spot, so I said, you know what, come here and try the pool. I see there's a nice pool over here. So guess what, I'm back today here, enjoying, and for second cast I already have a couple of little guys. And I just want to show you, I have one on the, he's right here. I just hooked him up. And first one I didn't get on camera, but this guy I'm gonna try to get him out as soon as I can. And it's been a really nice here bass fishing, you know, I gotta admit. So what's happening? I'm gonna be releasing this little guy as soon as I can. And I'm gonna show you guys what's happening. Yeah, so let me just do a quick here because I forgot my tripod. So what's happening, I'm gonna try to get this guy out of here. He's right out. Oops. He's right out. I'm not sure if he, hopefully he's not hooked pretty hard over here. So I just want to show you, he's barely hooked. That's when I get him out nice as I can. Yeah, good thing he's not hooked. Let's get him out of here. He's a really nice fish. I'm gonna show you over here. Oops. Yeah, really nice one. I got a few already, so keep in mind my hands are wet, and I want to get this guy out of here, and you can just enjoy. Oops. Yeah. So here we are. Pretty nice spot. I'm gonna see if I can revive him. Hopefully I won't have to, but I think he's almost good to go. Oh yeah, I can see beautiful bass. See, he's good. He's gone. Beautiful. So as you probably know, the YouTube removed my editing thingy over here, so the editing will be a little sloppy, but please, you know, have some patience. And I'm trying to get the vlogs back in here, and I've been really enjoying over here. It's been a pretty nice evening over here. I just want to show you the meantime. I've got my fly rod right there, and this guy over here. So guess what? My trusty woolly bugger right there. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna try to do some casting over there. I already tried a few times, but I don't want to lose my fly. So I'm gonna be messing with the maps here, trying to see what I can do in order to get into those logs. And that's apparently where the bigger fishes are. So I need to kind of step over here, step over there, and in order to kind of cast straight down, so I can get myself closer to the logs. But at the same time, I don't want the fish to notice me, because today I'm wearing all blue. Got my vest, and I want to get in there, get a couple more bigger ones, and then go home with a nice catch. And keep in mind, this is a quick catch and release, so it's pretty nice evening. I hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.